Make a large wooden snowflake to decorate your home this winter. The added lights make this project especially magical. For this project, you only need one 8-foot, 1 by 2 inch board. First, cut one 20-inch piece, then cut a second 20-inch piece. Next, cut two 10-inch sections, then cut 8 2-inch pieces. Sand each of your pieces to ensure that they are smooth. Start with your 20-inch piece and measure and mark the center so that your 10-inch pieces can line up on either side. Set up your Kreg jig so you can make pocket holes on the back side of the boards. Make sure it's set for the proper width of the wood. Use a clamp to hold the Kreg jig in place and make one hole on the back of each of the 10-inch boards and then on each of the 2-inch pieces. You then attach the 10-inch pieces into the middle of the 20-inch board to make a plus sign. Measure in the same distance on each board and add the 2-inch pieces on each side with your pocket holes. Add the final piece, the remaining 20-inch board, right down the middle. I used wood glue and also added a screw from the back. Lastly, drill holes into the snowflake for your lights. Use the string of lights as a guide for the spacing. This works best if you use a string of lights that you can remove bulbs from and have it stay lit. You'll double back and tuck the extra lights in on the back. You can leave your snowflake with a natural wood finish or add a quick coat of white paint, like I did. I hope this project inspires you to create your own wooden snowflakes. See you in my next video!